how to turn off background activity in your MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your background activity taking up a lot of battery and you want to turn it off? Then let's dive right in. You need to open up your settings and then go to General, click on Login Items and Extensions. There you'll find app background activity. So there you can see it is toggled on the apps that are being like run in the background. So you can just toggle it off by tapping on it. So use your password or your touch ID and then turn it off. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.